Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the family. I'm definitely super excited to have you. And if you're an existing subscriber, thank you for always coming back. If you're interested in knowing how I was able to infuse a Gucci stripe to my hairband like this, then you definitely want to see this video. If you've watched the previous video, you'd know how I was able to come up with this bun. But not to worry, if this is your first time here, I'm still going to go over it and then show you how I infused this gorgeous Gucci stripe into my hairband. So let's get right into this video. Remember, we're folding our scalps into two like this. Yes, and into four. But this time we're having the edge in the middle, okay, the edge of the fabric in the middle, so that we don't get to see it in our band. Okay, so basically you're just going to have your scarf or fabric like this, and you can fold it this way to give you that fold of a band. Now the next thing we're going to do is take it around my head, ensure that they are in two equal halves like this. Yes, and then you tie. As you tie, ensure also that they are equal like this, so that you can get your bow right. All right, so after tying, I'm going to go ahead and arrange my scarf. Yeah, I have my scarf tied. The next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to be using this Gucci stripe that I got from where they sell shoe making fabric. Yes, people that sell shoe making fabrics and the rest, you can get this from them. So I got roughly a yard, 1 yard of it. So I'm just going to be infusing it into my scarf. Okay, I'm going to ensure they are equal and tie. So now I'm going to be inserting only my fabric into the bun. You want to be sure that the fine face of your bun is what is outside. Okay, so I'm just going to insert it like this. Now that we have our fabric out and properly laid, the next thing we're going to do is take this Gucci strip right here, this one here, and take it to the back like this. So you can take this strip to the back, you can tie it at the back. After tying your Gucci strip at the back like this, if you have an excess, you can tuck it in, but if you do not, you can just allow your hair to fall. And after tying, I'm going to be using my rubber band to secure this fine fabric here, and I'll be doing that twice for more security. Now after doing it, I'm going to tuck in my fabrics like this and tuck it into the rubber band. So after tucking it in underneath I'm going to repeat the same process for this other place. So now that I have inserted it into my rubber band, this is what I have.